paano mo talaga mapagkakatiwalaan yung isang taong hindi mo naman nakikita?
Ito isa sa mga katanungan ni Vice nung nag-share yung isang tawag ng tanghalan contestant na in a relationship siya with someone for 4 years na pero hindi pa sila nagkikita or nagkakasama in person. So yung katanungan niya, paano ka ba magtitiwala sa isang taong hindi mo pa nakakasama? For me, mahirap magtiwala sa isang tao. Mas mahirap magtiwala sa isang taong mahal mo and at the end, lolokohin ka. Pero, pagdating sa pag-ibig, minsan kasi nagiging blinded tayo what are the risks. Because we tend to focus doon sa kasiyahan, sa pagmamahal na nararamdaman natin towards that person. Mahirap i-maintain ang relationship, more so mahirap i-maintain ang long-distance relationship. At lalong-lalo na mahirap i-maintain ang long-distance relationship sa isang taong hindi mo pa nakakasama. Pero naniniwala ako that love is sometimes enough na dahilan para pagkatiwalaan mo ang isang tao. Pag mahal mo, dapat pagkatiwalaan mo. So dapat vice versa, na dapat merong kayong tiwala sa isa't isa when you are in a long-distance relationship. It's very important that you have that open communication. You share what you feel. You share your daily experiences. Kasi you can't create memories together. So the only memories that you can create is yung video call ninyo, yung video call sessions ninyo, yung pag-uusap ninyo, when you share what's happening with your life, that's how you create memories. At naniniwala ako na trust is built over time with consistent actions. Action ng pagpapakita na mahalaga yung tao sa'yo. Action na nagpapakita na mahal mo talaga yung tao. You should be honest with each other. That's when you build trust. And of course, dapat meron kayong long-term plan. This plan is something that you can look forward to, and looking forward into this give you a motivation to stay in a relationship. And of course, daily activities ninyo, making each other feel that you are important sa isa't isa and mahal nyo talaga yung isa't isa. That will keep you stay in a relationship. Doon sa contestant na yun, financial reason kung bakit hindi pa sila nagkikita. Kasi nagtatrabaho yung guy pero yung sahod niya sapat lang para sa pamilya niya. But you have to find ways as well. You have to find time. You have to save something para may magamit ka at para magkita na kayo. Kasi 4 years, sobrang tagal na nun eh. For me, I will really make an effort para makapag-ipon at para magkita na kami sa wakas. Kasi ang hirap din nun that you are in a relationship and then 4 years na kayo, naniniwala kayo na mahal niyo yung isa't isa, but then after 4 years or 5 years, nagkita kayo sa wakas only to find out that there's no spark pala. So, di ba, parang napakabigat or napakalaki ng risk in there. You know, iba pa rin talaga na magkasama kayo in person eh. Liban dun sa nasabi ko, I'm still a firm believer that love is sometimes enough for you to stay, whether it's a long-distance relationship or not. Basta you have to know what are the risks of being in that situation. Basta ready ka kung ano man yung magiging circumstances of being in that relationship.